Okay, children, after learning about the stoichiometric defect, let us see the second type of defect, and that is impurity defect. Impurity defect, as the name suggests, that in the crystal we are adding some impurities, and these impurities are being added in order to create the vacancies in the crystal. So इसको हम definition में लिख सकते हैं that a foreign atom is so the foreign atoms are present in a lattice, in a crystal lattice, in place of host atom. Host atoms. In this case, in this defect, number of foreign atom is equal to the number of vacancy या vacant sites in the crystal. जिसका एग्जाम्पल आपको बताते हैं. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल there is a crystal of sodium chloride. So you have a atom of sodium, then chlorine, then sodium, then chlorine, then chloride, then sodium, then chloride, then sodium, then sodium, then chloride, sodium, then chloride, chloride, sodium, chloride, and sodium. So like this we have a crystal of sodium chloride. Just for example, I am introducing one impurity in this of strontium. Now strontium जो है बेटा, strontium is of group number 2 in the periodic table where it carries +2 charge. तो जब strontium ion will be introduced in the crystal, it should have 2 cation vacancy because it has 2+ charge. तो अगर हम 2 sodium atoms remove करते हैं and we are creating 2 vacancies here, so 1 strontium takes a place of this. अगर यहाँ पे हम strontium लेकर के आते हैं तो ये प्लेस जो है आपकी ये वेकेंट हो जाएगी. दिस विल क्रिएट अ वेकेंट साइट. एंड what you see over here is the charge is being balanced by strontium 2+ is there, and we are removing 2 cations, right? Plus charge, monovalent cations, and the monovalent cation is being substituted by a divalent cation. So 2 monovalent cations are removed and 1 divalent cation is being added. So this way the positive charge is still now equal, right? So the neutrality is maintained. But the question is that strontium 2+ ion can take only 1 place of sodium, so the another place remain vacant. So this creates a vacancy. Vacancy is created. So what I mean over here is number of foreign atom equal to number of vacant site. Like I have added one strontium ion, so 1 vacant site is being created. Just for example, 1 more strontium is being added, so you have to create 2 vacancies to add 1 more. So 1 strontium can take 1 place and the another will remain as a vacant site. So this is what I mean by number of foreign atom equal to the number of vacant sites. So this is what you call a stoichiometry, an impurity defect. Now the third type of point defect is non-stoichiometric defect. Non-stoichiometric defect. Now in this defect, as you know that there are some compounds in which the stoichiometry is not being maintained. Like for example, if you see like iron oxide, if you see them you will find that it is 1:1 ratio, but if you see in exact it is somewhat 0.98 and 1.02. so this is not a whole number. So this is what you call non-stoichiometry, where the ratio in which the ions are being joined together is not exactly what is shown in the formula. So such compounds are called non-stoichiometric compounds. So in this case, because it is a non-stoichiometric defect, So you can say that in this case the stoichiometry of the compound is being disturbed. So it is of three types. So it is of two types: metal excess defect and metal deficiency defect. किसी भी कंपाउंड में हम अगर मेटल को बढ़ा देते हैं, जैसे मान लीजिए कोई भी आयनिक सॉलिड है, फॉर एग्जांपल यू हैव NaCl, एक एग्जांपल के लिए बता रही हूँ, ऑल्दो NaCl डज नॉट फॉल इन दिस कैटेगरी, बट जस्ट टेलिंग यू इन द केस ऑफ एन एग्जांपल. फॉर एग्जांपल you have NaCl, so you can disturb the stoichiometry of the compound either by having excess of metal in the compound, or if you remove some of the sodium ion from the crystal, then also it creates a non-stoichiometry of the compound, and that will be called metal deficiency defect. I just explain it in a simple way. Like for example, in a class we have 20 boys and 20 girls. So if 20 boys and 20 girls are there, 20 boys and 20 girls are there, overall the class charge is neutral. But if I want to increase the number of girls in the class, I want to increase, what can be the ways by which we can do it? Either what we can do, keeping the boys constant, we can increase the number of girls in the class. In this way the number of girls will be more. Or what we can do, we can keep the number of girls constant and we can decrease the number of boys. In both the cases we can make the class feminine, right? तो इससे क्या होगा कि गर्ल्स के परसेंटेज इन दोनों फॉर्म में हम बढ़ा सकते हैं, either by increasing the number of girls or by decreasing the number of boys in the class. Same way, how we can increase the metal in the how we can disturb the stoichiometry of the compound, either by accessing the number of metal or by decreasing the number of metal. Okay, so how to make the crystal having excess number of metal? As I told you, either by decreasing the metal ions, or by decreasing the non-metal ions, or by increasing metal ions. जैसे यहाँ में मैंने समझाया कि मैं गर्ल्स के परसेंटेज क्लास में कैसे बढ़ा सकती हूँ, या तो मैं मेटल आयंस को इंक्रीज़ करूँ, यानी या तो मैं गर्ल्स को इंक्रीज़ करूँ, और या तो मैं नॉन मेटल्स को कम करूँ, यानी बॉयज़ को कम करूँ. तो इन दिस बोथ द वेज वी कैन हैव इट द एक्सेस ऑफ मेटल इन द क्रिस्टल, राइट. सो दिस इज़ कॉल्ड ड्यू टू इसे कहा जाता है ड्यू टू एनायनिक वैकेंसी, और इसे हम कहते हैं ड्यू टू एक्सेस ऑफ मेटल आयन. ठीक है, अब हम इन दोनों केसेस को देखते हैं, एनायनिक वैकेंसी वाला और एक्स्ट्रा कैटायन या एक्सेस ऑफ मेटल कैटायन वाला. ठीक है, तो ये जो एक्सेस ऑफ मेटल आयन आएगा ये आपका इंटरस्टिशियल साइड पे आएगा. At interstitial site. So let us discuss both of them. The first one is due to anionic vacancy. इसका बेटा एक एग्जाम्पल डिस्कस है, तो वो मैं आप लोगों को बताती हूँ. जस्ट एक बार मैं आपको फिर थोड़ा सा इसका फ्लो चार्ट बना देती हूँ. हम यहाँ पे नॉन स्टोइशियोमेट्रिक डिफेक्ट पढ़ रहे हैं. वी आर डिस्कसिंग नॉन स्टोइशियोमेट्रिक डिफेक्ट. नॉन स्टोइशियोमेट्रिक डिफेक्ट के मैंने आपको दो टाइप बताए हैं, मेटल एक्सेस और मेटल डेफिशिएंसी. मेटल एक्सेस में मैंने आपको दो तरीके बताए हैं, एनायनिक वैकेंसी और एक्स्ट्रा मेटल आयन या कैटायन. तो हम फिलहाल ये वाला पढ़ रहे हैं, ए वाला एनायनिक वैकेंसी का. इसको आपको मैं समझाती हूँ. In the case of sodium chloride, again Na plus Cl minus, Na plus Cl minus, Na Cl minus, Na plus Cl minus, Na plus. So like this the crystal is present, in which sodium chloride ions are arranged like this. Now what happens when the sodium chloride crystal is being heated in the presence of sodium vapors? Is being heated in the presence of sodium vapors. So what happens? What happens is, when the sodium vapors comes on the surface in the gaseous form. Now I am saying vapors, no, in the gaseous form, and you know when any metal atom is in the gaseous form, it dissociates to give Na plus 1 electron, and this is what you call the ionization enthalpy, right? ये होता है. अब क्या होता है कि इसकी सरफेस पे, टेक केयर, यहाँ पे ध्यान से सुनो, ये सोडियम आयन जैसा आपका बना तो ये इसकी सरफेस पे बैठेगा, ठीक है. अब ये सरफेस पे जब बैठेगा तो अ पॉजिटिव चार्ज इज बीन इंट्रोड्यूस्ड ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ द क्रिस्टल. अब इस पॉजिटिव चार्ज के अट्रैक्शन में क्रिस्टल के अंदर से फ्रॉम एनी प्लेस एन आयन कैन मूव टू दिस पार्ट. It will go and get attached with sodium ion over here. तो जब ये यहाँ से जाएगा तो definitely a vacancy will be created. ये when it will move from here, it will result in the vacancy. Vacancy create होगी. Vacancy create होगी. आप यहाँ देख रहे हो there is one extra electron lying on the surface along with sodium ion. So this negative ion will reach to this place. This extra electron will reach to this place. So what is happening over here is that the anion is being lost. It has gone to the surface to combine with the metal cation, and thus creating a vacancy over here. And this vacancy is being occupied by the extra electron which was being released by the metal atom on the surface. तो वो आकर के यहाँ पे बैठेगा. So basically this chloride will be occupied by the electron. Now what is happening here? The neutrality is maintained. Why the neutrality is maintained? Why? Because the negative charge has taken the place of the anion, but it creates anionic वैकेंसी. एनायन तो चला गया ना यहाँ से, तो एनायनिक वैकेंसी इज़ बीन क्रिएटेड. तो नाउ व्हाट हैपन्स ड्यूरिंग दिस साइट इज़ actually occupied by one electron. So this is a movable electron. Now movable electron results in the formation of colors. It results in the formation of color. This site is basically responsible for giving the colors. So this happens ये जब हम सोडियम क्लोराइड को गर्म करते हैं तो यू गेट अ गोल्डन कलर और सम कलर टू द फ्लेम. तो ये जो आपका इलेक्ट्रॉन है, ये जिस साइट पे बैठा है, इस साइट को हम एफ सेंटर कहते हैं. एफ सेंटर इज कॉल्ड फर्बे-ज़ेंटर जोन. एंड फर्बे-ज़ेंटर मीन्स होता है कलर, ठीक है. तो इन जनरल इट इज़ कॉल्ड एफ सेंटर. So if you are asked with a question that why sodium chloride gives color, then you can say on heating, why sodium chloride gives golden color on heating. So you will say because of the presence of F center in the crystal. F center is a very important topic. Many a times I have seen a question on F center. Okay. So simply write presence of F centers that results in the formation of the color of the sodium chloride on being heated. It gives golden color. Golden color NaCl on being heated. When NaCl is heated, it gives golden color because of the presence of Furby-Zenter zone or F center. Second is extra metal cation. इसके लिए क्वेश्चन आएगा कि जिंक ऑक्साइड is white but turn yellow on heating. अब इसमें क्या होता है, जैसे ही NaCl का हमने बनाया इसी तरह से हमारे पास में there will be a crystal of zinc oxide Zn2 plus O2 minus and like this, right? So when you heat zinc oxide, on heating it turns Zn2 plus and O2 minus. This is O2 minus plus 2 electrons. Now O2 minus, when you convert it into the gaseous form, you can write it as Zn2 plus half of O2, which is a gas, plus 2 electrons, right? So ये क्या होता है, ये तो एस्केप आउट हो जाता है जब आप इसको हीट करोगे, तो ये एस्केप आउट हो जाएगा क्योंकि ये गैस है. और ये जो एक्स्ट्रा कैटायन बचता है, ये जो हमारा क्रिस्टल है, इट रीचेस समवेयर इन दी interstitial site. Extra cation reaches to the interstitial site, and hence extra metal atoms are present, or extra cations are present in the interstitial site. This results in extra metal cation, and because of this extra zinc ion in the crystal, it turns yellow on heating.